Whenever we start a shoot, we photograph first the color checker passport of this device so that we have a reference for further profiles in our post-processing. Today we start using the Nikon D300S. So the first thing what we do is take shots of this color checker in two situations. One in sunlight, of course if sun shines, quite common in California, and one in the shade to create a profile which refers to two different lighting situations. First we photograph the color checker in the sun, and we do that in the moment. As here we took 3 exposures 0.7 dB apart. You have to be careful that you are not shading your color checker with your camera. The second shot we take in the shade. Here you have to be a little bit careful that no color from the outside, like trees or whatever, or walls, reflects on the color checker. Otherwise it won't be a very helpful shot. Again, we go close. Take our 3 shots and are done. The rest we do later in software, which we show afterwards.
Once home, we import our images into Lightroom, and you had seen that we captured 3 exposures. We take the exposure which kind of fit best here, and one exposure is in the sun and the one in the shade, and the idea is to have 2 illuminant DNG profiles, is that the software can make some interpolations if it's in between situations of white balance. Creating a profile with color checker passport and its software is really simple. We go to export, select color checker passport, select the name D300S, Sun 1. So we give it a name, San Juan 2009-10-15, say save, and it starts working. The important thing is that you can use this profile for future shots too. But if you take at each session dedicated color checker shots, you have a chance that you have a slightly more optimized result for that day. So that's the benefit. And I think this tool is kind of, I call it revolutionary, although it's a very fine step from taking color checker shots before. But first, it is quite ruggedly packaged, so we can carry it always with us. Second, there's no real excuse to take these 2 shots before you start. And then you can use the profiles if you feel you need them. Okay, it generates the profiles. There is no way in the moment that Lightroom would load the profiles automatically while running. So in this case, we have to shut down Lightroom. Here we are back. We now go into develop mode. And now in the drop-down list, our profile will show up. And look what happens if I select this profile. It doesn't want to take it. Now it takes it. You see the blues pop out a little bit. It's very subtle, but still a major improvement. So now we do the same for this shot. Again, you may not see that, of course, the white balance is off. This was in the shade. So what we do is we do the white balance, and we click on this second patch from the left, and bingo, We have now good colors, and we have the white balance fixed. I think that's easy and highly recommended.